Side part it is. What's up, baddies? This is your girl Tanisha Rick, the awesome baddie, period. And I'm back with another Amazon WIG review. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, so today's wig is brought to you by Sorpressa. I know I never say these companies' name right. I never say it right. But the name of the company is Sorpressa. This is the packaging. Alright, and inside, Cat, love getting these. Edge brush. And, ooh, bobby pins. I never get bobby pins. So they sent me a 20-inch body wave lace frontal 13x4 HD period. I better come through the HD period. Pre-plucked. Ooh. This is the wig. Ooh. Oh, period. Y'all better come through it to come through now. And so this is the inside. Has clips. It is pre-plucked with baby hairs. But the edge line still look a little thick. I may have to go back in and pluck some more. The hair feels really good. A little bit of shedding already. Like as I'm running through my fingers through, I can see a couple of strands coming off already. It don't have no smell. It just smells like a wig. Like it just smells like a wig. But the hair is really soft. So, y'all know what I gotta do. I gotta bleach these knots. I may go back in and, you know, pluck a little bit more. But other than that, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I bleached the knots. Plucked just a little bit. Cut the lace off. And, ooh. Her is so pretty. Her so pretty, y'all. So, yeah. Side part it is. Yep, side part. Alright, so now I'm just about to go in and cut the earpieces out.
Black leather glove, no seat.
So ear flaps are good.
Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance with it, really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, killing this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you the pain. Sure, it's a thriller in a track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Killing this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love it now, baby now. I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop. Yeah. Won't stop. Yeah. Never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spots. Other than the family, I got it's either you or me. That's just how I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby.
Alright, so I put my wig band on to help it lay and melt while I style my hair. So yes, I want to do a side part. Using the wax stick to help lay some of this stuff down. I kind of don't want to lay this down too much.
Everybody wanna say shit. Everybody wanna say shit.
I'm gonna add just a little bit of curls to it because the hair is really nice. Like, the pattern is really nice, but I think since I washed the front that I gotta do something to it. So I'm gonna add just some little bit of curls to the front. I'm gonna leave the back how it is, but just really like some loose curls to the front. That's really loose, not too tight. Just to kind of give it that body back.
Everybody wanna say shit. I don't care what they say about us now.
Yes, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go, period. I'm just gonna do the same for this side. Add some little curl.
Everybody wanna say shit. Everybody wanna say shit.
Just add some curls back to it. Alright, let's do some edges or whatever. Period.
Everybody wanna say shit. Everybody wanna say shit.
These ones is big, but let me see if I can curl it. I'm gonna try not to add no product because I kind of want to keep it, you know, the little nice soft look this time. So let me get my small one because I'm really about to burn myself. Let me get the smaller one. Let me see what that one do. That looks nice. I don't know, y'all. I gotta add some product because this is, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see if I add just a little bit of this down to it. I think the mousse messed this one up.
Everybody wanna say you. I don't care what they say about us now.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, hide and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Okay. Okay. Alright, so I'm just about to add some makeup to it. Ooh. Y'all see that? That thing ain't playing, honey. The lace is really, really good, y'all. Y'all, this the one right here for real. It's really giving scalp, y'all. Like, it's really, really giving scalp for real, for real. Alright. So, let's see what she's giving. Period. Period, wig. Come through, period, man. Yes. Yes. Slide it. Period. Yes, y'all, this hair is definitely giving. It's really giving scalp too. Alright guys, so the camera had cut off on y'all. Like, it went dead, so hold on, because now I'm getting a phone call. Alright, so the camera had cut off on y'all. It went dead. So in the meantime, I went ahead and I got pretty. I got pretty. I put some makeup on, period. And this is the final look of the hair. I love it. I give it a 10 out of 10, period. The curls are actually holding, as you can see, period. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is a 13x4 20-inch body wave. Like I said, I give it a 10 out of 10. The link will be inside of the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys for watching. The baddie is out.